So here's what we did. We went to Tim Hortons, we got 12 donuts, and I'm about to eat these donuts, haters. Auricular Studios 1. I'm gonna eat these donuts. You're gonna watch me eat these donuts. Haters.
It's magical.
We got an iPod stopwatch right here. We got these donuts. We got me. I'm gonna time myself eating these donuts. How fast can I do it? Haters.
Halfway there, Kyle, come on.
Oh, I'm sure up there.
If you're gonna throw up, don't keep eating.
Oh.
Basically, Kyle sucks at eating donuts. He's only able to eat like 6 donuts. Like, what do you have to say for yourself, Kyle? Kyle?